I made this from scratch. You guys saw it as nothing, and now look at it.
No, literally from beginning to end.
Ready? Okay. 3, 2, like it.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Ooh. Wow. Hey guys, it's me, aminaplease. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with the one and only Sade of Cheese. We're actually doing something so special today. We're actually baking a cake. I'm turning 26, as we know, so we are baking our own cake today. So let's get into it.
Lovely. So before we start, Amina, I have this apron for you.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, just so
It's
you can be
official. Oh my
like
God.
a real chef babe.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay. It's giving. She's a chef. Thank you, girl.
You're so welcome.
Okay, guys, we are baking a cake today here with Sade, so we're gonna get straight into it.
Yes, let's hop right into it. So, Amina is making a vanilla cake with cookie buttercream. It's gonna be delicious. So, but right now we're just gonna start on the base of the cake. So, we have a few things here. We have our flour, our sugar, our liquid ingredient. And so first we're gonna start off with our egg whites. So we have already removed the yolk, and these are just the egg whites. So we're gonna go ahead and just dump that in.
Okay.
So, Amina, do you like bake or like what do you?
Girl, this is my first, okay, so. Girl, first of all.
Are you a pro in the kitchen?
Pro?
Are you a guest?
Girl.
Are you?
None of the above, okay? I lived in LA when I lived in LA, lived by myself 2 years, never used the oven.
Really?
I never used the oven.
What about the stovetop?
I used yeah. But I never put anything in the oven. I'm an air fryer girl, but I never baked anything in my life. Like never. Not even a little cookie. So yeah.
Well, we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that today. So up next we have the milk.
Okay.
Here, just gonna go
How
ahead
much
and
is
pour that in.
this?
Half a cup.
Half a cup. Okay.
Yes.
Really
See?
cute.
Really whimsical.
Yeah.
A scoop of sour cream right here.
Okay, sour cream?
Yeah, people are usually like sour cream in a cake.
Yeah.
Like I don't even like sour cream on its own, but in a cake, okay.
Okay.
Go for it. You can use a spatula to
Okay,
really,
perfect.
really get in there.
Okay.
Get all of the goods.
Okay.
Yes, lovely. Wow, you did that so perfectly.
Oh, thank you.
So butter is also considered a part of the wet ingredients, but before we add that, we're just gonna go ahead and mix this. Don't turn it on until it's in the bowl.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
Ah. Oh wait. Okay.
And we're just gonna set that down, and then we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 2, you said.
Yes.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, perfect.
Perfect.
Yay. And then we can put to add a stick and a half of butter. So we can unwrap. You can unwrap this one.
Okay.
And everything is very cute.
Everything's very
like
cute.
baking is like a cute thing. Like it's not. We're not playing sports.
No, I feel like it's just about
hopefully.
creativity and doing the thing. I love that.
Exactly.
So what's like you would say the wildest like cake request you've ever gotten? Like, do you ever get wild requests?
I do, and I have to say no a
Say
lot.
no. Okay.
Because, you know, I'm still learning.
your
Like,
boundaries.
I'm forever a student. So
Yeah.
I think someone wanted me to add like moving wings to
Oh.
a cake. Yeah, like a butterfly. And I started researching. I'm like, I'm gonna figure this out.
I love that.
But I didn't end up accepting the order because I don't want to ever run into what I asked for versus what I got.
Okay.
Like, I don't want to be disgraced like that on the internet.
Exactly.
So,
I understand that.
So yeah.
That's perfect.
And then we'll go ahead and mix it up.
Mix it again?
Yep.
Okay.
And since the butter is still in a solid form, it's gonna have a little bit of chunks in it, but that's literally
okay.
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 It's all gonna come together in the end.
Okay. It's looking good.
It's looking good.
Okay.
It's looking too good.
Right.
Okay. Okay. Perfect.
Perfect.
And then again, let it just
Drip
drip
in
in
there.
there.
Okay.
Adding our dry ingredients. So this is when we're gonna use our sifter.
Okay.
Just in case, because sometimes sugars still come as like rocks, and we don't want like hard, big, boulder rocks in the cake.
No.
So you can go ahead and
Okay.
this is the like leavening agent. So baking soda, baking powder, and salt. So
Okay.
you can do that.
I'm gonna do that.
I mean, how old are you turning?
I'm turning 26.
Oh my god.
Girl, I'm in my late 20s now.
You're officially
In
your
my late
20s.
20s.
How does it feel?
It
You're like
feels-
almost 30.
I'm getting there. Like, I feel like Asian is such a beautiful thing, honestly. I'm just so grateful. This age, yeah, it's one for the book. I feel like at 25, I learned so much about myself, so many different moves and things that I did not expect to happen. Okay, I see what you mean about the rocks.
Exactly.
These are chunky.
So I just kind of dumped that out after, but we can add everything first. You were saying.
Yes, 26 to me, I'm just excited, honestly. And that's why I think baking to me was something I really wanted to do because it's new. It's something I've done before. And it's all about growth. It's all about what the inside tastes like compared to the outside. And I'm really excited for that.
Exactly.
This year being that.
And I think it's so special that like you have hands in all aspects of your birthday, like from your cake to the decorating
to the hosting to the
everything. Like it's important.
Yeah.
You're being very intentional.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Really cutesy, really admirable.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Those are literally
The
rocks.
rocks. We don't want those.
No.
We don't want those. So we'll just like set that aside and then we just mix this part up. And this mix, we want to mix it a little bit longer. Just so it's like smooth and all one.
All right.
While you do that, I'm going to preheat the oven.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, this looks really
good. It looks good?
Yeah, okay, pause really quickly. So we're just going to get the edges just so we can like really incorporate everything is in there. I'm just going to evenly distribute it.
Oh my gosh,
this is so good.
It's time to put it in the oven. Perfect. I love that. Thank you.
You're so welcome. Okay, so we're gonna get to the next step.
Oh my gosh.
Because that part, the first part moved really fast.
It did.
Are you sure you're not tricking me here?
I've done this before. I've been here before.
So you can go ahead and pour that in. We're gonna pour
the whole thing.
in.
Okay.
Yeah. Like keep going.
The whole thing.
Yeah, like the whole thing.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. So next time when you are going on vacation, you're like, let me have a piece of cake.
Yeah.
Just remember. Granted, you're not gonna eat the whole cake.
No.
You know.
No.
So it's just like a little.
Okay, it's a little bit of sugar.
Little bit
yeah,
of sugar.
all around. Okay. But that's how much sugar.
But then when you go back for a second slice.
Ooh.
And then at night when you sneak a third slice.
Yeah. I did not know that's how much sugar go in.
We're not even done.
Oh no!
You have to add a little bit of more sugar, so half of this bag.
Are you sure about this?
I'm positive. Go for it.
You sure your measurements are correct?
More. One, yeah.
That one?
Ooh, perfect. Yeah, just like that. Awesome. Okay, and now we can go ahead and stick by stick
add our butter.
Yep. Add our butter.
This is a lot of butter too.
It is a lot. It is 8 sticks of butter. Awesome. And then we can turn it up a notch.
Turn it up.
Turn it up.
To what?
To like 4.
Oh.
Okay. This is good. Yeah.
Oh my god.
It looks really good.
It looks good.
Buttercream before our eyes. All right, cakes are baked. Now we're gonna get into the stacking, the layering, the what reflects turning 26, the intentionality, all that fun stuff. So we have our cakes here, and we're gonna start by grabbing our offset spatula. The third one. Yep. We have our cookie butter. Buttercream that you put your back into.
Yep.
So,
I did.
So we're gonna take like a quarter size scoop and just like put it in the center of the cake board. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just perfect, just like that.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
All. Professional. And then we're gonna take the one layer of the cake and place that in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, that can stay there.
Grabbing.
Yep.
Placing.
And now we're gonna get into the filling. So we're talking about filling, but we're talking about feeling 26.
Okay.
So how does it feel being 26? Well, almost being 26.
Almost 26. It's feeling grown,
Okay.
mature, wholesome.
Ooh.
It's feeling childlike.
Ooh.
Because I feel like
nostalgic.
Yeah, nostalgic. 25 was too grown. I'm like, I'm ready to go back.
Yeah.
I'm back at home with my parents, so I'm like, it's giving, childlike again. I'm a daughter.
Yes.
I love it.
I like how you're embracing that.
Oh my gosh,
because
yes.
a lot of people are like, but you're embracing all the feels.
And I love it so much.
Period.
Honestly, it's a blessing. So
I love that.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go ahead and add the feelings.
Okay. Yeah.
And like, be generous. So you can
With
add
this?
Yeah, like scoop and dump. I like to say just like scoop and
Okay.
Exactly. Cool.
One more?
Because we don't want it to be too thick. And
Yeah.
then, like if the cake starts melting, then you'll see like the indents on the
Yeah.
side. So we can use this to like spread it.
Thin.
And right here we have the crumb coat.
Yeah.
So this is our goal in this step. So this step we want it to look like this.
Yeah.
But Amina's cake is going to be a cookie butter finish.
Yes.
So perfect. Just like add the next layer. But this next layer we're gonna flip it upside down.
Down. Okay.
Yeah, and this kind of creates that like level playing field.
Okay.
Yep. I just imagine your birthday dinner like. It's
Look, I
there.
made this.
We're getting there.
We're getting there.
We're getting there. Okay. Move this out of your way. Oh, this is so exciting.
This is so I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I feel like a pro already.
Literally. Oh, that's
Okay.
wow. That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Spread.
Ah!
Yeah. The last one.
The last
And
one.
again.
Boop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it may look like it's like.
She leaning.
Yeah, she's leaning, but it's okay. We can fix that.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
all.
Yeah. Clean it up. Perfect.
Now you're gonna use the remaining bits of the buttercream, and you're gonna disperse it on the perimeter of the cake,
Okay.
like all throughout all the layers.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yeah. You can start by putting it on top, like
Okay.
just dump a bunch on top.
Okay.
Dump. This hand stays steady, and you just move the turntable.
Okay.
Like that.
I know, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, I see. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
this is good.
Yeah.
Oh yay!
Yeah, like that. Right, she's straight.
Leaning where? Okay, so now we're getting into the design. Yes, like the color design, the florals. So the design we're going for is kind of just like do your thing.
Do your
I think
thing.
that's how I want to describe
Yeah,
it.
it's
Like
literally
just do your thing.
An expression of however we're feeling.
Of it,
Yeah.
however you're feeling.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going with white. You're going with
I'm going with.
no. Well,
I'm going
you with white. I'm
and you're
going with pink. Yes.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna watch you because I have no idea,
Okay,
girl.
so how I would like to describe this is like moving our hands in like a cloud-like motion, like kind of just like going with the vibes and just like. So we just want to spray down.
She's a pro, you guys. I'll be nervous. I'll be nervous falling.
Okay. Okay.
It's trying
So,
to fall. Yeah. I'm like, Nice. See, that was what I was going for.
Make sure your strokes aren't all the same.
Uniform?
length.
Okay, yeah. I don't know.
No, this is. I'm telling you, you have to trust the process.
I was just a brother. Oh my God,
26
that's
is
just
all
process.
about trusting the
It's about
process.
trusting the process.
26 is about
Yes.
trusting. And we can jump right into adding into the piping. Pre-pipe some dags here.
Yay!
Lovely. And so with this tip, you want the pressure that you're applying to remain consistent.
Okay.
If it doesn't remain consistent, you're gonna get a gap.
Okay.
And we don't want a gap. We want a full follow through. Nervous?
Nervous?
Okay, so then wherever you start, you want to just take it through, and you want the pressure you apply to remain consistent.
Wow.
So you want to just take it through like that. Yeah.
That looks great.
I think you can start from like bottom to the top.
Like that?
Yeah. So make sure the ridge side is facing outside. Yep.
Just
Go
what?
for it.
Okay. So I'm going like this, let's say.
Yeah.
Can I hold it with two hands?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you feel most comfortable with.
Okay.
You want me to spin the thing while you okay.
Guys, I can't do this anymore. I can't do this. I'm done.
Okay.
Take me out. Take me out.
Okay, you can do it.
Okay.
You can do it. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
It's very pink.
Yeah, it is.
There's gaps.
It's okay.
It's horrible.
It's okay. And you
Again.
had your fresh trial, so.
Yeah. Just do it, girl. It's okay. Whoa. That's nice.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That's good.
Okay, Miss Girl. It's barely
Yeah.
on the cake though.
No,
It's
not.
gap.
No, it's there.
Okay, it's there?
on.
Okay.
Trust the process.
Trust the process. Okay. We're gonna go in with some flowers. That. We can even do one coming out this side.
Yeah.
There you go.
It's
Wow.
so pretty. And you know what I actually love about it?
What do you love about it?
It looks pretty from like any angle.
Oh, she's pretty from all
Yeah,
angles.
she's
She
pretty from all
is.
angles, literally.
3, 2, 1. Ooh.
So
Wow. She's beautiful.
Oh my.
She's stunning.
So pretty.
Wow. Yep.
See, give it a twirl. Give her a twirl.
Ooh.
Ah, no, this is cute.
This is cute. This is too cute.
This is
Actually,
cute.
we might have ate. Girl, we did that.
She's cute from
Every angle. Like, so good. So good. We actually ate. Like, guys, I made this from scratch. You guys saw it as nothing, and now look at
No,
it.
literally from beginning to end.
Girl.
I love it. You
Girl.
did such an amazing job.
Thank you for
You
my
did
first
really
time.
good. Yeah.
No, I panicked, you
You
guys.
were panicking.
We were
I was
scared.
panicking, but we trusted the process.
Yeah, we trust the
And she's so pretty.
Guys, if this is not a life lesson, I don't know what is,
love
because she started as nothing. Then we were like, wait, hold on. She was like, girl, I don't know. This is beautiful, you guys. You can start something and make something out of it. It was beautiful. And what a way to bring in 26, you guys. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful. Thank you, girl, for helping me do this.
This was so much fun.
This is stunning, but
you surely took me out my comfort zone, and you were out your comfort
I
zone.
was.
So we worked through it together.
Together.
Happy 26th birthday.
Thank you,
Oh my gosh, I pray that 26 is everything your heart desires and more.
Amen. Thank you.
I mean that.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And this is your sign. Would you make your own cake? Let me know. Bye. What do you mean? Thank you. I don't know. Can I open it now or open it later?
I mean, you can, it doesn't matter.
I don't open it now.
It's tiny. It's something small.
I'm gonna open it now. Oh my god! Oh my gosh! She got me all mixed up.
So dramatic.
What do you mean? This is amazing, girl. Thank you. It could have been an avocado, and I would have screamed like
I
that.
just
What
want
the
to make
heck?
sure that you're in your kitchen.
I'm gonna be my kitchen.
baking,
I'm gonna be my kitchen.
having a ball.
Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Girl, thank you.
Sprinkles
Oh
on
my,
it. Yeah.
I'm actually gonna cry. Let me not.